Let's unbox Freddie the frosting machine together today. First, we'll open the box to get started. Inside, you'll find a flyer with driver and registration links, accessories on the side and the tube fill stand. Move this carton piece so it touches the edge before lifting it up. Remove the side box with the carousel platter and the carton with the icing tubes. Unpack the icing tubes, icing tube fill stand and all other accessories such as 6 black plastic trays, the silicone tongue cover, USB cable, power supply and extra valve rings. Unpack the carousel platter with triangle spacers. You'll need 2 people to lift Freddie out of the box. Unpack Freddie by removing the protective bag, store it for later. Take out the carton with the carousel base, then remove the foam and blue tape from the tongue rail and wipe station. Remove the blue tape from the tongue and the safety cover as shown. Finally, unpack the carousel base and have a look at all of the components you have just unpacked.